Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this lesson I'll be teaching you how to calculate age, and our topic is going to be how old will you be in hundreds years to come. So let's get to it and without wasting any time. So guys, if you haven't subscribed, just subscribe and like there. It's gonna be name is equals to input double quotation mark what is your name, and age is equals to integer, and inside the integer input double quotation mark enter your age, yeah, like that. And new age is gonna be age plus 100, and the answer is gonna be print double brackets double quotation mark high plus name plus in 100 years you will be plus new age string that plus double quotation mark years old, just type it up, and I'll put this time I'm Edmond 22. So there's the answer, but our code is bit wrong. There's some space there. Once until the end, there's some space there. Guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.